Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So, sorry that I posted the video late, but I just got back from Vegas, Knowledge Fest. I would love to give you guys more notice, but just the logistics of how things worked out, just the only way I could jam it into my schedule. So, Rakesh, one of Alex Haze's friends and clients. So, Rakesh was involved in a horrible motorcycle accident. Is in the hospital. So Alex is donating this webinar that goes on tomorrow for Rakesh's family to help with the hospital bills. So the seats for the webinar are $100 each. I ask you to donate even if you're not going to watch the webinar, just to help his family. I definitely recommend watching the webinar, because that way you kill two birds, one stone. You learn Harley Davidson audio, which can benefit you, your bike, and the audio game, and you also get to help out a family in need. I'm going to post the link on the bottom of this video. It's the Alex Haze webinar. It's to help Rakesh's family. So I know me, Wonderful, and the entire crew of NVS Audio are donating. It'd be great if you could do the same. It's only $100. It's for a great cause. I haven't personally met Rakesh, but you know, all our Harley Davidson audio guys, we're all family. Like, we all love the same things. Just imagine if it had been you and your family, you'd like a little bit of help. So let's do what we can and try and help out, please. Thank you.